Okay, welcome. I'm gonna be showing you how I make okra pepper soup. This is actually okra soup, but with a little twist. I think the uniqueness is the pepper soup spice that I used in this particular soup. There are a couple of other things, but the pepper soup spice stands out. And then this utazi leaves, they kind of give it this wonderful pepper soup aroma, but same okra soup. And these are the list of ingredients. You're going to be needing assorted meat, crayfish, and a lot of that. Okay, these are some of them. Okay, you start by cooking the meat. Add 2 cubes of nor, a teaspoon of salt, some sliced onions, add a sachet of your favorite beef spice, add about 2 cups of water and allow this to cook for the next 30 minutes. Okay, this is what you get. Add more water to it. Add your cleaned and washed smoked. Add pepper soup spice and crayfish. Add about 150 ml of palm oil. Cover this, allow it to boil for the next 15 minutes. Okay, this is what you get. Okay, add the ground pepper. Okay, I had to pound mine. You may want to ground it or blend it. Finally, you add your sliced okra. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be making lots of wonderful videos in the coming weeks, and I would really want you to be part of it.